Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here with another fun-filled day of science. Today we are going to finish running our capacity experiment with our ships. And we are going to test our 4-centimeter cups, and we are going to see how many passengers they can hold. We've tested our 2-centimeter ships, and when I say 2 centimeters, they were 2 centimeters deep, and we found they held 11 passengers. We tested our 3-centimeter ships, and we found out they held 17 passengers. Today we will test our 4-centimeter ships and find out how many passengers they can hold. Now, being good scientists, we are running 3 trials each time to see how consistent our data is. And we do that to test how we are placing our passengers in our cups, right? If we spread them all out along the bottom, our ships should be sinking at an even rate, and then the water level spills over, sinking the cup all at once, knowing the cup is full and our cup's capacity has been reached fully, as opposed to stacking all of the cups in one spot. And then when that happens, our cup ends up tipping, sinking unevenly, because when one point lowers, this part of the cup reaches the water level well before this part of the cup. See that there? And so then the water spills over this part, filling the cup, pulling it down under the water before the ship's capacity has been reached. Okay, so I'm going to start our first test, making sure my pennies are placed evenly. That one was up sideways. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one went straight in the water. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and it sinks. So at 25, it sinks. That means I'm going to record 24 passengers. Okay, and then again, we are going to use dry pennies and a dry boat each time. Drop 2 pennies in here so that we know we are not adding any additional weight, like from the water, to our test. Okay? Better dry off my hands. Choose my shirt. Okay. Dry cup. Ready for trial number 2. I forgot to ask you, in your discussion, you were to make predictions about what you thought would happen. You should, by now, be noticing a trend. With 2-centimeter cup, we had 11 passengers. 3-centimeter cup, we had more passengers at 17. It does make sense that at 4 centimeters, we have 24 passengers, and that number keeps increasing. I have 2 passengers in here now. 3, 4, 5. My cup is really uneven right now. I'm totally forgetting to lower this so you can watch it. I'm so sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That one went straight down. 25, and we'll back up to 24. I am going to double count those though, just because I had a problem. I don't know if I got the camera switched right away. So sorry, you guys didn't get to see the beginning of this one because I didn't have the camera angled down. But originally, I had the cup very ill-weighted, and I had it tipped over like this. So I had to put many pennies, so it was probably tilted like that. I had to put a lot of pennies in this back corner to even things out so that it would float straight again. Okay, I was able to, it worked, but it took some time and a lot of pennies in order for that to happen. Okay, and our third one. So again, we had numbers of 24 and 24. Thinking that just might be our magic number today with our 4 centimeter cup. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, that one went down at 24. So we're going to back that one up to 23. Either way, our average is 24 pennies. Okay. Let me show you. Okay. So our average is 24 pennies or passengers for our 4 centimeter ship. Okay. So that being said, that is our capacity for 4 centimeters. Now our next job is to find out, I got wet pennies all over the table. Our next job is to find out our capacity a different way. Okay, now we'll discover this a little bit together next week. Okay, and we can do that in a variety of ways. I want you to be brainstorming that on your own. Okay, so what I want you to do, start thinking about how we can figure out how much water fits into our cups. How can we measure that? Okay, how can we measure how much water fits in our cups? What would we use to measure that? Okay, today in your discussion, however, backing up, I want you to have that thought in the back of your head. Okay, how can we measure how much water fits in those cups? Okay, today's discussion, however, I want you to think about how today's experiment differs from previous days and how it would continue if the size of our cup changed. So you see now at 2, 3, and 4 centimeters how many passengers fit in our cups, right? What about 5 centimeter cups? 4 centimeter cups? Also, our cups weren't straight up and down. So the measurement of our cup there changed a little bit too, didn't it? That's something to think about as well. Okay, so today I want to ask you what you noticed about our experiment and how was it different from yesterday's. Okay? Have a great day, everyone. I will see you tomorrow for Field Trip Friday. Goodbye.